everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very special unboxing and I'm really excited. Now if you've been following me for a long while, you will know how much I absolutely love this brand. I've got a Rituals limited edition box. I can't wait to use everything that's in here. This is a Lookfantastic limited edition box and it's in collaboration with Rituals. And there's 6 full-size and deluxe minis inside here, all from the Ritual of Jing collection, which is all about sleep and relaxation. This box is available to purchase now off the Lookfantastic website. The value of the box is £80 and the cost is £40, but if you are a monthly beauty box subscriber to Lookfantastic, you are able to purchase this box for £35 and you're able to do that through an email that they would have sent to you. Lookfantastic are also running an offer at the moment, which if you take out their monthly beauty subscription, the box is £15 a month and it ships worldwide. If you take a subscription out and you want to purchase this box, then you'll be entitled to £5 discount. I'll put all links and codes and everything listed down below in my description. So underneath the video you see show more. If you look there, everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. I received this box as PR from Lookfantastic. I am very grateful, and as soon as they asked me if I'd like to receive it, I was like, oh, yes, emailed back, yes please. Because I love this brand. I absolutely love it, and I've got a load of things you might not be able to see, but I've got a lot of ritual collections behind me. It just smells so nice. I don't think I've got anything from this range though. This might be a new range. I need to look into it a bit more. Oh, it just smells gorgeous. I'll give you a sneak peek. You can see a massive candle there, and it says here, escape the hectic pace of everyday life through deep relaxation and restful sleep. Scan the code to read the magazine. So I'll do that. For some reason my QR code app is not working. It's stuck on scanning. I'm sorry about that, but there's some information on the Lookfantastic website and I believe there's prices on there, so I'll refer to that as we go along. The first item is a candle. I'll just take it out of here. My first Rituals candle, my first one. And this is a full-size candle and it retails for £19.50. See information there. What's it say? It's got accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. Little message on the back there. And yeah, it's just a really lovely, oh look, you can see sweaty hands. I've been out all day, that's why I'm a little bit sweaty, and yeah, got hardly any makeup on and everything, but I thought this arrived, so I wanted to use them tonight, so I thought I'd do a video straight away. That is so lovely. It is so nice. Now I'm not good at describing scents, unfortunately. I'm pretty useless, so I'm going to go on their Rituals website and I'm going to find out as much information I can, and I'll pop it down in the description. But yeah, from me it is nice. Next is a body cream, and this is Relax, and there's 220 mils here, and the recommended retail price for this is £18.50. I love the lid. I'm not sure if you'll be able to, yeah, there you go. It's got like a wooden design lid there. It's just really nice. It's lovely. Right. What is this going to be like? I know it's going to be nice. I know it's going to be nice. I've got 2 tubs of these behind me. Just makes me want to pop my fingers in there. I'll do a little bit. Rituals do the most amazing body creams. This is just lovely. It feels really nice and the scent is nice as well. The scent isn't overpowering. It's not strong at all. It's very subtle. Which is the sort of body cream you can imagine putting on your body, you know, having a bath or a shower and then like coming to bed, you know. It's not overpowering. Your partner or whoever, your teddy, are not going to be like, woof, you know, what have you got on? It's not. It's just really lovely. Next we've got a Peaceful Sleep Shower Oil, and this is in Sacred Wood and Lavender, and there's 200 mils here. A nice big bottle. It says Rich Shower Oil for a Peaceful Sleep, and this retails at £8.50. Oh, that's lovely. That is so nice. That is a lot stronger than the cream. Oh, it just smells, wow. What is it? Wood and lavender. Yeah, smell the lavender. Oh, that is really nice. Really nice. So we got a shower gel. Next we got a body scrub, and there's 70 mils here, and this can be bought for £5.20. And what can I tell you? It just says mild body scrub. That's all it says there. It's Sacred Lotus and Jujube. Jujube? Is that right? Anyone know what a jujube is? I don't know. I'll have to look that up, won't I? Let's see what it looks like there. I'll just put a tiny bit just on my hand there, just to show you. Yeah, just a nice body scrub. I'm getting overwhelmed with smell now. I can smell it everywhere on my bed, yeah. It does smell of Jing. It's a really nice body scrub. I like the fact that the bits inside it, you know, it's soft. It's not super grainy, which I don't like because I don't want to scratch my skin. And some exfoliators are like that. But no, this one's not like that. And I have got a Rituals body scrub. I think it's Rituals of Deo. I think it is. And I do really, really like it. It's one of my favourite body scrubs. So there's that. Next, we've got an Instant Care hand lotion. It's for all skin types and there's 70 mils here. And to purchase this, it will cost you £9.90. Put a hand cream on here, mix it in with the exfoliator. I can feel it there. I should have just washed it off, shouldn't I? Never mind. I'm exfoliating my hand while moisturising it. Yeah, it makes my hands all nice and soft, and yeah, I'm gonna have to wash it off because I've got bits of the exfoliator on my hand. But Rituals do one of my favourite hand creams. I'll go and get it for you. Hold on. This one. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is the Ritual of Deo, and this is a night balm for your hands. It's White Lotus and Yi Ren. I bought this myself. It doesn't come in the collection, but yeah, if you see this and you're looking for an overnight sort of treatment for your hands, just massage it in like a hand cream. I 100% recommend this. This is amazing. So that's my little recommendation there. So yeah, so in this collection then we've got a hand cream, and lastly we've got a pillow mist. I'll just open it up and show you. Sacred Wood and Lavender. We got 50 mils here, and the recommended retail price is £17.50. That's what it looks like there. I just love all the attention to detail. See the little lid there? It's so nice, isn't it? Okay then, let's spray a little bit. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, you can smell the lavender, but it smells of, I don't know what, it smells like, okay, whatever Sacred Wood smells like, but oh, that is so nice. I love that. Absolutely love that. My daughter swears by pillow spray. She has difficulties going to sleep, and I've been receiving pillow sprays off and on for the last couple of years in different subscription boxes, so we share them. And yeah, she says that if she doesn't use one at night, she can't go to sleep. So every time she uses it, she has a really lovely sleep. For me, I'm not too sure. I don't know. But I've always had trouble getting to sleep. But then once I'm asleep all night, thankfully anyway. But that is a gorgeous, gorgeous smell. I haven't smelt anything like that. Most pillow sprays smell the same, don't they? You've got lavender of some sorts in them, but this smells a little bit different, and I really like it. So we've got a deep sleep pillow mist. So those are all the items. So I'll just go through them one by one, recapping. So we got a candle. Got a shower oil, got a body scrub, got a hand lotion, we've got a relaxing body cream, and lastly we've got a deep sleep pillow spray. I absolutely love this box. It's one of my most exciting boxes that I've received, but I do think it's really great value for money, and I've already bought one to give as a Christmas gift for someone in my family. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you as excited as me by this collection, or you're thinking, no, I'm not that into Rituals, or are you umming and ahhing whether this is for you or as a gift for someone? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.